for YouTube, just to let people know that Rosie started to make earrings out of Zippy's shed feathers. So when I get up to 500 subscribers, we can actually sell these. It's just these molted feathers, and Rosie's made them into a bunch of earrings.
That's just one of them.
Yeah, and those who shed the most support on my channel will get a free set of earrings off our loss.
Or a single set of earring.
Or a single set of earrings off our loss.
Or a single one earring.
Off our Rosie.
Because that's the point of there just being one of those feathers, because
right. So
men wearing a single earring.
Yeah, so these are the Amazonian green feather earrings, just out of his molted feathers and cleaned and everything. Don't you? You're absolutely talented. Is our loss.
Zippy's talented.
Yeah.
Literally.
Yeah. So for YouTube and TikTok, peace out.